In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can schedule a transfer in the CIBC mobile app. Now to achieve this, you need to use e-transfer. That's the only option available for you to do so. So on your checking account, select send money. From the drop down, select contact. If you're sending to a person for the first time, you'll need to select new contact. Specify their first name or last name. You can choose a notification language, specify their email address and their phone number, and then select save. So I'm just going to step back and select an existing contact. Scroll down and how often, select it, and then select your frequency. So let's say every 2 weeks. Now for the end date, the default is never. You can choose a date when you want it to end, or select a number of transaction and then select continue. And that's just about it. However, I do not want to send a transfer at this point in time. I just wanted to share with you how you could achieve this. So don't forget to hit the like and leave a comment.